In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Google Drive history. This task is essential for maintaining privacy and managing your digital clutter efficiently. We'll be breaking down the process into simple steps, making it easy for you to follow along and ensure your Google Drive is clear of any unnecessary data you no longer need. So, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google homepage. Once there, sign in to your Google account if you haven't already. This step is crucial because accessing your Google Drive requires you to be logged into your account. Ensure that you're using the correct account by checking your profile icon at the top right corner of the page. It's always a good practice to double-check this to avoid any confusion, especially if you manage multiple Google accounts. Next, click on the Google Apps icon. It's the grid of 9 small squares located in the top right corner of the page. When you click on it, you'll see a drop-down menu showcasing various Google services. From this list, select Google Drive. This will open your Google Drive, where all your documents, spreadsheets, and files are stored. Now that you're in Google Drive, direct your attention to the top right-hand corner of the Drive interface. Here you'll find an icon that resembles a gear. Click on this icon to access the Settings menu. A drop-down will appear. From this drop-down, select Settings. Doing so will open up a new window with various configuration options for your drive. Within the Settings window, look for the option labeled Manage Apps in the left sidebar. Click on Manage Apps to proceed. This section contains a list of all the applications you have connected to your Google Drive. It's important to check these periodically, as having unnecessary apps connected might clutter your account or pose security risks. Now scroll down through the list and locate the connected apps that you don't use or need anymore. Once you identify such an app, click Options next to it. A small menu will appear with options like Disconnect from Drive. Selecting this option will effectively remove the app from your Google Drive, thereby reducing clutter and potential security issues. For our final step, it's a good idea to regularly check and clear out your activity log to maintain a streamlined drive. Although this doesn't directly delete files, it helps in keeping track of your usage and maintains organization. To do this, click on the View Details icon, usually represented by a small I within a circle. This will open up the activity pane where you can view and manage your recent activities effectively. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully learned how to manage your Google Drive history and keep your digital space organized and secure. Thank you for joining me today, and be sure to check back for more useful tips on managing your digital world.